So look, Microvellum has pushed us forward, and there's no doubt about that. Drafting turnaround time has increased. So in something that used to take us 2 hours to draft, it's half an hour done, and it's properly in the system. So that, once again, minimal human error. And then it goes to the next stage, it goes down to the machines. It comes out correct. As a jigsaw puzzle, the parts are labeled and how it needs to be edged and how it needs to be assembled. The shop drawings show the assembly reports, which how the boys on the factory floor can assemble it. So it takes away the, what am I doing? Where's the next step? What's happened? It makes it more simplified and faster. Everything's turned around quickly. We need it tomorrow. We need it yesterday. You turn around fast because it's an easy flow. You know, from clicking optimize to loading up on the truck, it's got to be right. So you got to meet the client's time frames. So you can't sit there and waste time on things. There are things that need to be pushed through, and it needs to come out right. And Microvellum helps achieve that by taking off those nitty-gritty little second handling of parts, cleaner processes, and their system's always being updated as well. So it helps much more work in less time frame. These are big things, especially with complicated joinery. It's basic cabinets, not a problem. Most softwares can do that. But Microvellum takes the complicated stuff to the next level. It simplifies it, it sends it off. So essentially it's just a click of a button to optimize to a machine after it's been approved. From the installation process, our installers can see what they're installing. And because there's item numbers, we know that what's been loaded up. We track what's been loaded up. And these are also important because you don't go, but was this cabinet knocked up? You can see, yes, it was optimized. Yes, it was knocked up. Yes, it was delivered. So yes, it's on your site. Check it, boys. It's on your site. And then it's in the other room because someone moved it.